In this video, we will show you how to remove old mortise lock trims for product upgrade or painting your door. First, remove the armor front by removing the small Phillips head screws. Loosen the cylinder set screw by turning counterclockwise no more than 5 revolutions. Next, loosen the set screw in the knob or lever and slide the knob or lever off the spindle. Remove the interior trim. Remove the decorative screw cover, threaded washer, and through bolt. Now, remove through bolt while holding onto exterior trim. Partially insert the key into the cylinder. Thread the cylinder out of the lock. Remove the spindle by removing the screw on the outside. Reinstall the hardware as needed.